Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing well. I am back with something you love to wear or style in the summer. Today I'm dropping 10 new ideas to style your oversized white t-shirt. So let's start. In the first one, I'm styling my oversized white t-shirt with my white polka midi skirt. I layer it over the white t-shirt and add belt lower to my breast area. And to make it look more pretty, I added a scarf on my hair. In the second look, I am wearing my oversized white t-shirt with my milky formal pant. To make this look put together, I added black color belt and scarf on my hair. Also, I fall my scarf on the t-shirt so it look more cute. In look number 3, I do a little DIY with my scarf. I converted my oversized scarf into a mini slit skirt, and to make this look more secure, I also added a belt. And I think this look is perfect for a beach area. In the look number 4, I'm styling my oversized white t-shirt with floral summer dress. I layered it over the t-shirt and in accessories I added a brown belt down to my breast to give a shape to this super loose dress. Also, I added both the look with belt and without belt. In the look number 5, I layered my oversized white t-shirt with scarf. I styled my scarf over the t-shirt and in the bottom wear, I am wearing my polka skirt. This look is perfect for the day date. In the next one, I'm styling my oversized white t-shirt with my off-shoulder tube top. I wore it in a reverse way. Also, I added brown color belt with my milky formal pant, and this styling really compliments me. In the look number 7, I styled my t-shirt with a red trouser. Also, I added my oversized scarf and wrap it over the trouser to add spice in my outfit. And I think this one is the perfect outfit for a lunch. In the look number 8, I styled my t-shirt with brown tube top again, but this time I styled my tube top from the front, and in the detailing I added a black color belt to define my outfit. In look number 9, I do a little DIY with my polka midi skirt. I make my skirt short and wrap the scarf over the t-shirt in the triangle shape, lower to the breast. Pretty and girly summer look. In the last look, I wrapped the scarf over the t-shirt, and this look is super formal and elegant too. I wore my formal pant and added a belt to make this look super natural. So these are the 10 ideas to style your oversized white t-shirt. I hope you love all my ideas. I see you in the next one. Till then, bye.